Hello guys, from today we will be learning HTML from scratch. For our guidelines I have made one PPT on it and we will be referring that PPT to know more about HTML, how it works, what are the things required to run HTML, where we can run it and how we can write the code into that one, and later we will be writing some HTML code for better understanding. So let's jump into it. So here is the first slide. Here we have introduction for HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the language used for web development. Okay. So with the help of HTML we can create our web website, and the newest version of HTML running into the market is HTML5 at the time of recording this video, and the extension for saving HTML5 is .htm or .html. So let's just name it our first website. Okay, and I will just make one file into this one, and I will make name it as index.html. You can name whatever you want. Okay, so we'll just open and we'll start writing into this one. So just open it with notepad. Let me zoom a bit. Okay, so at first we have HTML tags for this. So what are these? This first is the HTML. HTML is the tag itself for writing HTML. Our browser only understand the HTML code, and the basic at first we'll write the basic structure for HTML. We have like 5 elements into this one. After HTML we have like head and the closing of head tag. Inside head we have title, and title closes. So we can give title to our website. Just we'll write our we'll make as first website. Okay, and after head we have like body section, and body closes here, and inside body we can write our header tag, p tag, and much more tags are there. Later we'll be learning about those all tags. So just write h1 tag here and close the h1 tag. So this is the bold text, this is the highlighted text. Okay, and we'll also write one paragraph into this one. So P closes. I am paragraph. Okay, so we have to save it. We have already saved by the name of index.html. Okay, now we'll go to that file and we'll run in any browser. So we'll open with Google Chrome. Okay, see what we have written is already displaying here. So if you want to inspect it and see what we have written, so we'll just click Ctrl U from the keyboard, right? So here is the things we have written. So what HTML does means it give a basic structure for any website. So this HTML, this head, this title things, these tags are not displayed, but the content written inside these tags will be only displayed by the browser. Okay, these all are tags, and we have much more tags about HTML. Some of the tags will be like we have like video tag. We have introduced in HTML5. We have audio tag here. We have like BR tag as well. We have SR tag. We have from h1 till we have h6, up to h6 we have, and we have like header, These all are the tags. We have UL tags, LI tags. These all will be written under tags. We have OL tags. Okay, we have image tags. We have anchor tag. Okay. Okay, after knowing much more tags of HTML, let's delete these all HTML tag as of now, and again head back to our presentation. Okay, we have HTML tags here. That HTML tags can be further divided into two types: paired tags and singular tags. So now let's go to paired and singular tags. Means paired tags are also called as container tags, right? Because they are written between opening tags and closing tags. But the singular tags are just they are a standalone tag or empty tag, means they do not have any closing tag for that one. Okay, so we'll see this singular tags in the examples, as well as this container tag in the example. Okay, let's sit back to our coding part. Okay, so we'll just write this p tag is also known as the container tags or pair tags. This h1 is also pair tag because it has also the closing part. So for example, let's see like strong strong text. Okay, we have to close this strong because this is pair tag. We can call this at pair tag or container tag. Okay, now let's have some example for standalone tags. Okay, so for example, we have HR, means it will give a straight HR line between this paragraph tag. Okay, we'll just go to the code and we'll just refresh the page. Okay, strong tag has been displayed here because we wrote strong here, and just let me make side by side for better understanding. Okay, it goes here. Okay, so now refresh this page. Okay, and this HR tag is used for just put one horizontal line, so we can see this horizontal line here. Okay, now again let's head back to presentation. So so these are some list of HTML tags. This HTML head, body, title from H1 to H6P, audio, this audio, videos, this has been introduced in HTML5s, and much more tags are there. Later in this video we will be understanding about this all in separate. Okay, after that we have like HTML comments. So how we can write comment in HTML? Because comment is very necessary, because if we have like 100 and 1000 lines of code, so for understanding those code, means what we have written, so we need to write comment. So for writing comment in HTML we have to follow this system. Okay, so let's head back to our coding part and write one comment into that one. The comment, the things written inside the comment are not displayed on the browser. We will see by coding. Okay, so let's head back to coding. Okay, so we'll just write hello there, comment lines are here. Okay, we'll save this one and we'll go to the browser and we'll refresh it. See, we didn't see these things, but when we just inspect and see, sorry, see, this comment is being displayed here but not on the browser. Only after inspecting we are able to see those comments. Okay, let's close as if now. And thanks for watching this video. If you find this video informative, do share it with your friends. Please do hit the subscribe button for more information video like this in the future. Do not forget to like the video. At last, thanks. See you next time.